And I ain't necessarily the smartest feller in the world. And sure, I ain't even got a lot of money. Sometimes I make stupid mistakes. Sometimes I make poor choices. Where's I going with this? Oh yeah, but I can cook.
All your meal times will be gooder when you're cooking with Cooter.
I was down the old hooch and coot, shooting darts and drinking some adult libations with my buddy Jason and my brother Ernie. Having a nice time of it. Drinks are getting consumed and we're getting a little competitive, so we decided to make a little wager on it. Well, Ernie bet me $100 that he could land bullseye before I could. I was flabbergasted. I ain't had $100 all at once since Granny done caught me stealing her medication and put the kibosh on my entrepreneurial efforts. So he says to me, if I win, I get the cash. But if he wins, I gotta give up something that I do every day of my life. Now, I ain't a young man no more, so there ain't much I do every day of my life that ain't vital to my survival. He said I had to go vegan for a year. Now, I'm a pretty good dartsman, so I agreed, because I thought I had it in the bag. Plus, I didn't know what a vegan was. Short story long, not 2 rounds in, and that dirty mullet head lands a bullseye. I was discombobulated, to say the least, and even more so when he told me what a vegan was. Now, I ain't no sore loser, but I felt bamboozled, and that just deals my pickle. So I took off. Ernie and my buddy Jason, however, stayed a few more hours and then started walking home, but ended up getting to a bit of trouble down at Farmer Doyle's petting zoo. Sheriff said it was attempted animal husbandry. Even though Ernie was incarcerated, I am a man of my word. I turned into a vegan the very next day. My buddy Jason came over, who somehow managed to escape capture at the petting zoo, told me that if I went vegan, I was gonna start craving wieners. You know what? He was right. Not 7 days in, I can't stop thinking about how much I want one. Heck, maybe 2 or 3. So I went down to the Tom Thumbs, trolling for wieners, but no luck. So I went over to that frou-frou store, the Whole Foods. More like whole paycheck, you know what I mean? And I picked me up some vegan wieners. Now, I usually like my wieners hot, cooked on an open fire. But it's cold enough to freeze balls off the pool table outside. So I'm gonna use my propane torch. Blame it! What in the flaming white trash barrel am I thinking? I can't use my propane torch to cook these wieners. I use my turkey fryer.
Here we go. All right.
Looks like this is gonna take us a minute, so in the meantime, if you ain't done it yet, why don't you go and click that subscribe button right below this video and click that little bell so you get notified every time I get a new video put up here on the YouTubes. If you also would like to do, I'd appreciate it if you click the little like button, which is a little thumb going up like that, and then leave me a comment. I want to know what you want to see me cooking on here. Now, keep it in mind, I gotta be vegan for a whole year, so let's hear it. All right.
Starting to bubble up. Looking good. We don't get too close to the flame now.
Nice and black now, boy. I know a lot of people like them just boil their wieners, and I like my wieners a little firm. You know, I don't want no floppy, loosey-goosey wiener. Ooh-wee. This is looking interesting. Okay. I'm hoping this fixes my craving for wieners. Ooh, okay. I think that's just about done. Kind of smells a little bit like burnt Cheerios. All right, let's put that in the bun right there. Woo-wee. Oh, I gotta get some mustard on my dog. Gotta get some mustard on my dog. All right, let's put some mustard on that bad boy. What do you think? All right. Here goes. That's pretty good. I like that. I was a little worried when I burned it a little bit. It wasn't going to be no good, but I think my craving for the wieners is going to be okay. I think I'll be able to do this. Thank you. All right.
All your meal times will be gooder when you're cooking with Cooter.